Cleaning services business in Dubai in 2023. Starting a cleaning services business in Dubai involves several steps, including obtaining the necessary licenses and permits, setting up a legal entity, and creating a business plan. Obtain the necessary licenses and permits. You will need a commercial license and a trade license to operate a cleaning business in Dubai. You can obtain these licenses through the Department of Economic Development and DED. Set up a legal entity. You will need to register your business as a legal entity with the DED. You can choose to register as a sole proprietorship, a limited liability company, LLC, or a branch of a foreign company. Create a business plan. Create a detailed plan that outlines your target market, services offered, pricing, marketing strategies, and financial projections.
Quit your gloating.
You did it, you did it, you did it, you did it, okay. You did it, you did it, you did it, you did it, okay. What?